Hello YouTubers, I'm Minion Stuart and I am the rock star. So over here we have a Simplex 425121, 425120, and we have a Gentex Commander 3 GC3 24WR. And that one is set to temporal chime. Ready? Let's pull full station. Here it goes. 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. That sound looks pretty cool. And oh yeah. And here's the back of the alarm. And we could go ahead and set on slow loop. There we go. It's on slow loop. Well, let's go ahead and pull 423120 again. Here it goes. That sound looks pretty nice. Or that sound looks pretty cool. Let's go. Let's go put it here. There we go. So that one is a system sensor P241575. It's a horn stroke. And that one is set to code 3. Ready? Let's go ahead and pull it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Whoops. Alright, take 2. Let's try again. Okay, here it goes. Beep, beep, beep. Okay guys, so now I'm KFM Productions, and that one is Minion Stuart. Hi. So that one's my 423121 system sensor P241575 and my gentex Commander 3 GC324WR. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. Now please subscribe my channel and let the comments down below. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Camping Minions!